Hello. Instructions for the car loan and what if calculation. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. In this workbook, there are two worksheets, car loan and what if grades. The car loan is separated to two separate calculations. One is car loan in months and one is in years. And you can see on row 6, the term in months is 48 months and the term in years is 4 years, which are actually the same. 4 years, 12 months in each year, 4 times 12 is 48. So there's an extra step in the one with years compared to the one in months. So I'm going to click in cell B9, and what I want to find out with a loan amount of $25,000 at an annual interest rate at 6.5% for 4 years, which is 48 months, what would the monthly payments be? So click in B9, go to formulas, choose financial, and it's in alphabetic order, and you're looking for PMT. When you're in here, PMT, it tells you everything that you need to fill in. So the first one is the rate, and if you look down here on the bottom, rate is the interest rate per period for the loan. So the rate is, I'll click that 6.5%, and because you're paying monthly, you have to divide it by 12. And then the next one, NPR, which is the total number of payments for the loan. So there'll be 48 payments. And then the next one, PV, stands for present value, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth. And that's the loan, the full loan amount. So before you click the cell B4, type the minus sign. Otherwise, you'll get it in a credit, which is red. So we don't want to see it in red. So I'm just going to add that little minus sign, and then I'll click the cell B4. And you can see right now, the monthly payments are going to be $592.87. So I'll click OK. The next one is the total payments. So the formula will be equals. I'll just press the up arrow. So that's my monthly payment times, and it'll be for 48 payments, 4 years, so times 48. That gives me a total of $28,457. The difference is going to be what is paid in interest. So go ahead and click in B11, equals, I'll just press the up arrow, minus the initial loan. So in the end, you'll end up paying for a $25,000 loan, $28,457, and the difference is what you're paying to the bank for borrowing the money. So now I'll click over in E9, very similar, but we're just going to have to add one step because this is showing 4 years instead of the 48 payments. So I'll go into financial, I'll choose PMT. And you can always move this if it's in the way. So there's the rate. Again, it's always divided by 12 because it's monthly. And then how many payments? 4 years, but I have to put in times 12. And then the present value of the loan, I'll type the minus sign and click the $25,000. And you can see the amount right here. It's the same as the other one, and it should be. So go ahead and click OK. Total payments equals the monthly payment times 4 years, but also add times 12 months in a year. Should be the same, equals, to find the difference. So that'll be the total payments minus the original loan, and it should be what's paid to the bank. So for borrowing this amount of money, you're ending up paying $28,457 because you have to pay for borrowing it from a bank. But they're the same calculations, but one is done in months and the other was in years. And we'll be doing more of this module. So now click the what if worksheet. So in this one, determine the grade average in cell B9. So we'll find our grade average. So I'll go back to, I can do it right here, auto sum, average, and it should be B4 to B8. And I'll use my check mark. And so far it's a 91.9, but I want to get an A. I want to get an average of 93. So what do I need to get in the final exam to have a 93? Because this is considered an A minus and I want an A. So I'll go to data, what if analysis, goal C, because I was already sitting in there, set cell, B9. What I want it to be 93. What will my final result be for the final exam? What I need to get, so click that by changing cell B8 and then click OK. So for the final exam, I have to get 99. Click OK, and that's a save and submit. Thank you.